Storms Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 mini for Quicker Wireless. So the iPhone 13 mini is not here at Quicker Wireless. It's available in two storage options, 128 gigs or 256 gigs. So yeah. So this is the iPhone 13 mini right here. That's what the phone looks like there. The 128 gigabyte iPhone 13 mini, $729.99. $256 iPhone 13 mini is $829.99. So let's go back to the 128 GB version here. Wait for this to load up here. So yeah, it's available in these colors here. So the 128 GB version has midnight black, starlight, blue, red, and the pink version is sold out currently. It's not available right now. So yeah. So this is what the iPhone 13 looks like. It looks like the iPhone 12 mini from last year. So not much difference between designs here. So you guys got your nuts there. Front facing camera earpiece. Power button on the right side of the phone. Volume keys on the left side along with your alert switch on the left. On the hell's this, the left side? No, it's the right side, isn't it? It has to be the right side there. So that's your left side. Wait a minute, what? I'm guessing that's your right side there. I'm guessing. Oh wait, yes, so that's your right side. Never mind, because the camera is like over here. It's on your right side. So yeah. So you got a 5.4-inch touchscreen display, 12 megapixel dual cameras, 128 GB of storage, or 256 GB. iPhone 13 mini, the most advanced dual camera system ever on iPhone. Lightning fast, A15 bionic chip, a big leap in battery life, durable design, super fast 5G, and a brighter Super Retina XDR display. Y'all got to see features here. Display 5.4 inches Super Retina XDR display. The display is rounded. Display has rounded corners that follows a beautiful curved design, and these corners are within a standard rectangle. When measured as a standard rectangle shape, the screen is 5.42 inches. Diagonal. Actual viewable area is less. Video. Cinematic mode adds shallow depth of field and shifts focus automatically in your videos. Camera. Advanced dual camera system with 12 megapixel wide angle and ultra wide cameras that both have 12 megapixels. Photographic style, smart HDR4, night mode, 4K Dolby Vision, HDR recording, 12 megapixel true depth front camera with night mode, 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording as well. So then they're not doing like the whole Apple feature thing where they tell you everything, they're giving like the highlights or whatever. So that's pretty cool. So this video shouldn't be too long. Specs on this iPhone 13 mini, of course, this is a flagship phone for Apple standards. You got iOS 15 on board, that's pre-installed in the phone. You'll get updates for like 5 fucking years, which is great. Because Android don't do that. Android, you're lucky enough if you get 2 OS updates. You're lucky enough if you get 2. But with iOS, you get like 5 years of updates, which is fucking insane. So you get iOS 15 pre-installed. You get your dimensions on the iPhone 13 mini: 5.18 inches height, 2.53 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. 5.4 inch display, OLED display there. 128 gigs or 256 gigs. 5G Wi-Fi 6 0211AX with 2.2 MIMO, Bluetooth 5.0. Cameras, advanced dual camera system with 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide cameras. Processor A15 Bionic chip with neutral engine. Battery built-in rechargeable lithium-ion polymer battery there. And obviously, guys, if you guys want to get accessories for the iPhone 13 mini, go to Amazon and get your accessories on Amazon, guys. So, yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 mini is now here at Cricket Wireless. It's available in 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.